You never really know what someone is carrying. The truth is, most people are fighting battles you can't see and wouldn't want to face. So here's a question. Why make life heavier by standing apart when we could lift each other up? Choosing the right people isn't just about vibes, it's about survival. You don't rise when you're surrounded by people who pull you back down. Supportive energy is oxygen. Uplifting people help you breathe, grow, and believe again. You want to evolve? Surround yourself with people who remind you of your power when you forget. Unifying isn't weakness, it's strategy. It's how we heal, how we build, how we grow stronger together. The people around you are either your anchors or your air. You can't elevate your life while tolerating relationships that drain you. Are you surrounded by people who feed your fire or smother your spark? Reach out to one person who lifts you and release one who drains you. Energy is a choice. Drop a comment if you're choosing to stand with those who lift. Like and share this with someone who needs your light. You don't have to go through it alone, but you do have to choose who walks with you. It's time to work on your purpose.